loving what I'm seeing. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're about to walk 1,000 steps. Okay, so if you're ready, make sure that you always have a physician clearance before you begin any type of physical fitness. We're going to start off by stretching, we're going to warm up, and then we're going to take our 1,000 steps. So let's go. I'm going to incorporate wrist and leg weights to this workout. So let's go. Let me go ahead and put on all right, so we're going to begin warming up first. Okay, let's take slow steps, but give or take about 30 or 40 steps. All right, I feel warming up. Now we're gonna go ahead and begin the walking. So there may be music played on top. So grab yourself some music, have your weights, and let's begin. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 30, 31, 32, 33, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 71, 72, 73, 100, that's 200, 300, let's go. 1, 300 done. 400. Try to go a little faster. 400. 400. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 60, 70, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 67, 68, 500, 500, 500. Okay, keep going now. We're about to work. We're working on 600 to 100. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 60, 66, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 100. 100. Okay, so 6. Now we're about to do 700. 7. All right, let's do 8. Let's do 8. And we're going to go hands over our head. Okay, we're going to do about 50 of those. Okay, so let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 2, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 48, 50. Okay, so got 50. All right, we got 50 more steps, and then we'll have 800. All right, come on, drive those arms back. Are we ready? Let's go. Come on, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. That's 800. All right, we're going to try to get our knees up higher. Okay. Let's do 900. Come on, because we just did 800. Now we need to do 900. Put the knees up higher. Get the knees up higher. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. All right, 100. That's 900. Moderate to slow. So let's go. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, 18, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 27, 28, 9, 31. 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 46, 47, 48, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 64, 65, 66, 67, 69, 70, 71, 72, 74, 75. Let's do 100 more for the cool down. And guess what? If we missed any by counting off course, then it would just make up, okay? So let's do 100 on our cool off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, steps with the wrist weights and also the ankle weights, okay? So let's go ahead and stretch. So amazing. Wow, I hope that done you some justice because I feel like it did for me. So make sure that you like, share, and subscribe. If you found any value in this video, take care of yourselves, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.